Every morning when I wake up, the first thing that hits my mind is you. I close my eyes and picture your beautiful face in my head so I can start the day full of positivity. I feel lucky to have you in my life. You are a blessing that I will be thankful to Allah for the rest of my life. My life was incomplete before you came into it. Since I met you, my life has changed completely. You are like a flower that has many fragrances in it. Thanks for decorating my life with the colors of your love. I love you, my love. You might not know that you have a heart of gold. You are the shining star of the darkest night. Thanks for taking care of my heart, soul, and the chaotic parts of me. When I first saw you, I was attracted by your beautiful face and your charming smile. But it was the beauty of your heart that I feel for. I found an angle in you that is more amazing than words visible. From the outside, you have a very distinctive pair of eyes. Whenever I look into them, I find myself lost in an ocean of infinite hope. Happiness and peace. This hope keeps me alive. That happiness surrounds me every moment in my life. And that peace reminds me that I am in heaven. I can create another audience describing my love for you. You have such a profound influence on my life that I cannot erase the memories of you, even if I live for a million years. I am lucky to be part of your life. I will love you till my last breath. I never thought of falling in love with someone. I bravely knew Then suddenly I meet you one day and whispered something in my ear that this is the girl I have ever wanted. Since then, all I know is that I love you and want to be with you forever. I love you. Against all reason and all discouragement, and will always continue to do so. After loving you, I realized that love like this can only happen once in a lifetime. I can't wait to witness life flourish with you. From the moment I met you, I knew there is something in you which attracts me the most. My life was incomplete, and your love has completed me. Your kindness, your royalty, your way of talking has made you unique than any other to me. You mean everything to me and cherish you. You inspire me to be my best version and chase my dreams. Time flies so fast whenever I am with you. I want to spend the rest of my life making you loved and special the way you do every day. I am deeply in love with you.